Dios mio, willkommen zurück zu The Wolf Among Us. Heftiges Intro gsi vorher, ich muss ehrlich sagen, also... Ich weiss nicht, ob die Holly tot ist, ich weiss nicht, ob der Crane tot ist. Nein, der Goran. Ich weiss, ich habe nur einen Schulterschuss bekommen, aber... Fuck! Das kann so schnell falsch laufen, hä? A crooked mile. Wo ist der Crane? Aha. Der hat den Spiegel zerbrochen, der Arsch.
I did as well as I could to take out the buckshot, but there's still some shards left embedded in your shoulder. They'll eventually worm their way out on their own, but until they do, you're going to be sore.
Maybe Dr. Swinehart was appointed Fabletown physician for a reason.
It's okay. There's only one thing you have to take away from all this. Take it easy.
Oh.
Don't go looking for any more fights. Keep strain off your heart. And try and get some rest.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Is she?
She's fine, Bigby. I had everyone that got wounded sent home. Holly refused to let me see where she lives.
Sehr schön.
So I left her and Grendel back at her bar with a dose of juniper and spring water. Just remember what I said. The stitches won't hold up if you continue to act like you normally do. Everything in moderation. And eat more chicken. Your blood pressure's through the proverbial roof.
I'll try to.
Okay.
All right then. Very good.
Business office. I know, I'll have to call you back.
Okay.
The
Wer ist
town
sie?
is starting to find out.
Well, I'll leave you two to it then. Miss White, Bigby.
Die zwei Arschgesichter. Die wissen einfach etwas. Nächstes Mal verprügeln sie. Ohne Scheiß. Ich weiss zwar nicht, ob es der richtige Weg ist, weil... ich weiss es
to
nicht.
recap,
Crane watched me through the magic mirror uncover his room at the open arms, and then he smashed it so we couldn't use it ourselves to
Sogar
go
dort hinter
after
sich
it.
anlegen.
We know this because Buffkin was drinking in the rafters. That about cover it?
and once he puts all the pieces back together, it'll be easy to
Puffkin.
catch Crane. So, I guess that's the plan, currently. But I don't know.
Haben wir irgendwelche andere
No other
Spuren?
leads. This is it. Just wait for the mirror.
Yeah. What the hell is going on? I don't know what the Tweedles get out of this. I don't know if Crane sent them. I don't know if...
100 Brot,
this
hat sie
is
schon
gonna sound crazy,
geschickt.
but do you really think Crane did it? Everything points to him. I get it, but do you really think he killed those women?
Ich bin
it's
nicht
just...
As
sicher.
confused as you are, to be honest. I don't know. It just doesn't make sense.
He was a conniver, a coward, a liar.
Ja, aber
And
Mörder ist
I'll
er nicht.
always hate him for that. And I'll hate him for how he held me in his thoughts. But murdering prostitutes? Ow! Everything okay over there?
Yes, Miss White. I just cut myself on a piece of the glass. Nothing to worry about.
Thanks for tonight, by the way. That could have gone really terribly. I mean, even worse than it did. I'm glad you were there.
I just feel bad for Holly, really.
Yeah. Time heals everything eventually. At least, I hope so, for her sake.
I don't know, man.
Can I, ask you a question?
Sure.
It's kind of personal. And I don't want to offend you, but after tonight,
Sure.
it's just... when stuff hits the fan, like it did tonight, it feels like before we came to the city. It feels kind of like home. And I've heard it said that maybe in some tiny little bottled up way deep inside, you kind of enjoy it when things go wrong.
Really?
Because it gives you an excuse to just, stop pretending.
Shit.
I guess it doesn't matter.
Jupp. Sorry. Ich weiß nicht, was sie meint.
Guys, we have a problem.
What
Dass
is
ich
it?
Wolf
I
kann
can't
Wolf
finish the
sein.
mirror. It's missing a piece.
Ah, shit.
What do you mean, missing a piece?
Yes, it's,
Crane must have taken a shot.
I can't believe this.
I saw Crane pick something up after he smashed it. I'm sorry, I didn't realize what it was until now.
Shit.
The mirror can't work unless it's whole.
Well, that's not entirely true.
Huh?
What, Buffkin? What? We sit around and wait until it mends itself? We have no idea how long that will take. We're just gonna have to do this the hard way.
I'm just saying, waiting is an option.
No. We can't depend on the mirror.
Was is
What
de hard
exactly
way?
is the hard way?
We'll look through his things, his desk, everything. He had to
Los,
have
wieso
left
haben das nicht schon lang
something that
gemacht?
tells us where he's going. He's a neat freak, but he was never that smart.
Smart enough to take a piece of the mirror. We can still solve this ourselves. I know
Never
that
mind that. Come help me look.
Aber was hat der Buffkin zu sagen? Hm? Er weiß irgendetwas noch mit dem.
Hi, Mr. Bigby. I can still help you catch Crane, you know.
Okay, wie?
Oh, yeah?
Yes. I saw him jump on the telephone before he left. He called up somebody. He said he needed to see his witch, or that he would need to get to the witch for that. Whoever that is.
Oh.
Which?
Yes, it sounded like the one he got his snow glamours from.
Oh. Ist noch etwas anderes
You
gesehen?
didn't see anything else, did you?
No, not especially.
Okay. Ist sicher nicht dein Fehler.
Look, the whole mirror thing, it's not your fault, all right?
You mean it?
Yeah.
Natürlich. Ja, gell, er kann halt aufhalten. Lassen
I'll
Sie so.
just see if I can do anything about this.
You do that.
Gell. Also. Okay, dann laufst du wieder zurück. Was haben wir da? Funding requested. Can see why the farm should. Okay. Denke nicht, dass das etwas ist. Was haben wir da drinnen? Die Inbox. Oh! Er hat den Schlüssel.
It's the key to his room at the open arms.
You still haven't told me what was in there. I want to know. I need to know.
Blood and
A lot of
flowers.
blood and flowers.
I keep thinking back. I keep replaying moments in my head. Interactions with him when he'd catch me in the elevator or bump into me outside.
Sicher wüst.
There's only so much you can repress, you know?
Mehr verwünschen
Don't
dann.
worry, Snow. We'll get him.
Come on, let's keep looking.
Ich weiß nicht, ob ich es richtig gesagt habe, aber... Was ist da noch drinnen? Abgeschlossen. Okay. I guess that's it. Aber ich muss zuerst noch rasch ein Briefchen lesen. I'm writing to ask again that the police sent someone to fix the air conditioning. Boy Blue. Ja, komm. Das ist nichts Wichtiges. Und was ist das noch? Mr. Toad. Plasterine on my building of glass. Fucking walls. It's burst out.
Crane
Get your
never
shit
do
together.
any work.
Only when Cole was around.
Okay.
There's a page here that was torn out.
Oh, yeah? Buffkin, do you know what was here?
It's a ring, at least. Every magical item not retained in the armory is assigned to someone in Fabletown. It must be this witch he is going to see.
Wait, what witch?
Buffkin overheard Crane set up a meeting with a witch.
Well, yes, it sounded like the one he got his, glamours from.
Oh.
It must be about this ring.
Was
Why
ist
not
das für
mention
ein
this
Ring?
before?
No one asked me.
Buffkin?
and I'm hungover. I'm sorry. He set the meeting at 2 a.m.
Tonight.
What's going on? Is the mirror fixed yet?
Bluebeard, this isn't the time.
Is
Jeez,
the mirror
Elias.
fixed or isn't it? You called
I
me
called just to see if you knew where Crane could be, and that was it, okay? And I'm sorry I said anything more than that.
Well, you did, and I know. The cat's out of the bag. So, can we find the dull pervert or not?
No, it can't be fixed. It's
It's
missing a piece.
This is none of Bluebeard's business, Bigby.
None of
Gewoon
my
maar een-
business? Crane's the murderer. He escaped.
Nee, het is net een
Seems he
murder.
spoiled your every attempt at locating him. And now it's none of
Ik
my
möchte ihn gerne
business?
einbeziehen,
We
vielleicht
don't know if he's the murderer.
hat er mal einen
Oh,
Tipp.
please. Of course he is.
Look, this just isn't the time. He took a piece of the mirror, so we can't use it.
The only thing we know is that Crane's going to see a witch at 2 o'clock.
Danke, Buffkin.
AM or PM?
PM.
A.M.
Listen, Bluebeard, you're not a part of this.
I don't think you're in any position to turn away help.
What do you know about Crane?
Ich
anyway?
möchte ihn einbeziehen, sorry
That he
schnell.
has the stones to kill prostitutes like any common sex-frightened serial killer and not face a real challenge.
Look, we know that Crane is going to see a witch, and it's to acquire a magic ring.
What's the ring?
We don't know what it does or who it's assigned to since Crane tore its page out of the book.
This farce was your ridiculous idea for a plan. I mean, who put you in charge in the first place?
Fixing the mirror was the most logical
You're a
thing.
secretary. He's the sheriff. And none of you were chosen to run this office. Who elected you to make these decisions?
Nobody, but that
Who
doesn't...
elected her to spend my money?
Well, I've been doing that unofficially for years now.
Unofficially is not.
Sie kann das
officially.
schon
Snow
regeln.
can obviously handle this, so let's drop it.
Well then, excuse me for having the Commonwealth in mind.
Chill size, Bluebird.
All right, let's just look on the bright side. We know Crane is going to see the witch that's been supplying him black market glamours.
Thanks to me.
And that he'll be there at 2. So that gives us a few short hours to find out who it is and where they live and get them all at once.
Yep.
And a few shorter hours, the more you babble about it.
We haven't been the ones babbling.
Yeah. Just point in the direction you want me to check first.
Yep.
Since Lily used the glamours, she'd have known who the witch was. And I don't think Holly's burned her things yet. It would probably have the address or a phone number or something.
And Bigby is free to go there if he likes. But I think the question you should be asking is just what do the two twins know
Ja,
about this?
das wäre auch noch
It
wichtig.
doesn't matter what they know. After tonight, they'd never go to their office.
They're not smart enough to try and go anywhere
The
else.
trip trap is the better option to track the witch down. Has to be our focus.
Ich kann beides machen, oder?
Chances are I'll have to swing by both anyway.
No, chances are you won't have time.
Okay.
I don't really care what you two do. I'm going to his apartment.
What? You can't just go up there.
And why the hell not?
We already looked for the key, remember? I don't know where it is.
Then I'll pick the blasted lock.
Wo sollen wir her? Wo sollen wir her?
I won't waste any more.
You just can't go up there alone, all right?
Komm, ich
I've
komm
no
mit.
interest in nicking his drapes, my dear, if that's what concerns you.
What concerns me is you traipsing through possible evidence.
Oh, now it's evidence. Before you had no interest, and now it's a crime
Du
scene.
gehst nie jetzt an.
Beard, you're not going anywhere.
Really now? And what? You gonna stand here and babysit me? While the rest of your leads evaporate into mist?
We have to find the witch, Bluebeard, since that's where he's going.
Or the sniveling weasel chickened out. Never went anywhere. And is upstairs right now in his pitiful penthouse, crafting a fort out of couch cushions. Look, this is how a smart person would do it. So this is how we're going to do it. Wherever you go, I'll go to the other.
I
Okay.
don't like you going anywhere unsupervised. Please get me something. I don't know what it is, but we don't have the time to really
Also ich
worry
lasse
about it.
nicht zu den Tweedles gehen, sonst gibt es dort noch einen Unfall. Ich gehe zu den Tweedles.
Where are you gonna go, Bigby?
Ich gehe zu den Tweedles. Tweedledee, Tweedledum. Find the witch, ja.
So you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need sympathy and I don't need charity.
Bei ihr gehe ich sicher nicht. Bei ihm. Oder bei ihm. Wir werden das nächste Mal entscheiden. Bis dann. Peace.